In this problem, Cami sold 70 figurines in two sizes. The large figurines sold for 12 each, and the small figurines sold for 8 each. The amount of money he received from the sales of the large figurines was equal to the amount of money he received from the small figurines. So how many large figurines did Cami sell? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first take a guess and check approach. And when I do guess and check, I always start with the middle number and say, all right, there were 35 large figurines sold. Now, they said there were 70 figurines sold in all. So that means if I take 35 away from 70, that tells me how many small ones I have, which is also 35. Now it says the large sold for 12 each, and the small sold for 8. But it said the amount of money made on the large and the small are equal. Well, is this going to be true? Well, it can't be. We have the equal number of figures sold, but the large sold for more. So letter C is not the answer. Now, when we do this and we get the middle number wrong, we have a choice. Do we go small or do we go big? And we're going to go small. The reason is because if the large and small made the same amount of money and the small sold for less, that means we had to have sold more small and fewer large ones. So let's try the next one, 28 large. So we'll take 70 minus 28, which is 42. We'll take this times 12 and this times 8. So 28 times 12 is 336. 42 times 8 is 336. So there is our answer. He sold 28 large and 42 small. Now, if you're looking for a more algebraic approach, it would look like this. So large plus small equals 70. And 12 large plus 8 small equals, whoops, nope, that's not it. 12 large equals 8 small. So this says that the number of large and small figurines was 70. The amount made on the large, 12 times the number of larges, equals the amount made on small, 8 times the number of small figurines. So what we want to figure out what is the number of large. So I'm going to take this and divide by 8 and get small by itself. So we get 1.5 L equals S. So I'm going to plug that into this equation. So L plus 1.5 L equals 70. So we get 2.5 L equals 70. And then we divide both sides by 2.5. So when we take 70 divided by 2.5, we get 28. So that's a more systems of equations approach if you prefer doing the algebra. But if you want to do it a little quicker, I think this might be a better way.